with Draw Dolores Madrigal. You knew that already, didn't you? Okay. Here we go. That's a good head shape, I think. Pull it up a little bit. That's it. We can get rid of all these lines that don't fit. See you later, lines. Cool. We don't need to get this perfect. Just near enough. Right now. Yeah. I wobbled it. She's got huge round eyes. Beautiful round ears too. While we're laying down the foundations of the drawing. Roughly right is great at this stage, because a lot of this is rough work. This, woo, like that, and that. Gorgeous ball of hair at the top. I think I've actually done this a little bit too close together, so what I'm going to do is just move this eye.
If you haven't already, there are other Encanto videos on the channel, so you can check out Louisa, featuring some of her best friends, and Mirabel is it's either there or coming very, very soon, so don't forget to check that one out as well. They're a good little trilogy.
Choker there. Here we go, time for the bow. And that's going to be kind of made up like that. Here we go. How Dolores is this? I think this is coming along pretty okay. Dolores is one of my favourite characters from Encanto. How about you? Hopefully she is, because you're here watching this. I think we're about ready to wing this. See you on the other side.
Here she is, Dolores. We are inking. Bow, hair. Yep, that's all there. Get around the edge. See, I'm saving you all the time of me doing all those individual curls, because you watched it before. You don't need to see me do it again. So we're going over the eyes. Very, very easy. She's got a very youthful look. I believe Dolores is 21 in Encanto. And as I presume you all know, she's got the enhanced hearing ability. So she knows all the family secrets. Or she should know all the family secrets. There may be one she doesn't know. Film fans? What do you think that one might be? We are there. We just, I think, need to thicken up those outlines a little bit. That's something I like to do on those characters, makes them stand out against the background a little better. And we'll be on to the colouring stage. As you'll know by now, I am a fool, and I forgot some details, like her jewellery. So I'm just drawing those in freehand there, hence why they look a little bit rougher than the other lines. But the important thing is that they're there, and that I'm an idiot. That's the important thing. Big blocks of colour. Dark on the hair, lighter on the skin, put the big white blocks in. This is flatting, this is getting all the main colours in. Look at that, I've started to put some highlights and shading on the lips there as well to make them look a bit more sort of full, and a bit more depthy. Is depthy a word? Anyway, some highlights on the top there, so we've got a light source coming from the top, and I think we're going to need to do a bit more on the highlighting side around the hair. I think we're going to have a bit of a halo going around that, which I'll do in a moment. But getting the main colours down really brings the picture to life. Moving ahead with those highlights now on the hair. Again around the edges with a soft brush. And then filling in the bits there so it just looks like the light's hitting the very edges of the hair. I like that kind of effect. So Dolores' top, like all the characters, has a clue to her abilities on it. So these are like sound waves. They look a bit like Wi-Fi signals, don't they? But these are kind of sound waves which are kind of subtly implemented into her clothing. Beautiful. I'm pretty happy with this now, I think. And there we go. I stuck a little Encanto-y background on and we have Dolores. I hope you liked it. I certainly enjoyed this one. See you next time.